So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonymous, and in today's video I am going to discuss about an exciting job opportunity floated by Amazon on its website where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So do consider watching this video very carefully till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it, and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. So friends, regarding this particular job role, this is for Amazon Product Compliant Senior Associate. So you must have heard about this role. This is very popular these days and it is floated for many different locations. So first of all, I will tell you what is the eligibility criteria for this role. So for this role, you need to be at least a graduate in any stream. If you are a graduate in any stream, then you are eligible to apply and you should have 0 to 5 years of experience. So freshers are also eligible currently. And regarding the job description, you will have to understand the main thing. The main role of this job is to protect the customers of Amazon from products that are illegal, hazardous, unsafe, or otherwise prohibited or regulated by law or even Amazon. So sometimes sellers will come to Amazon and they will float their products on Amazon's website, but it is your duty to check if that product is legal, it is within the government and regulatory bodies, then only you should allow that product to be on Amazon's website. Otherwise it will give a bad name to Amazon if they are selling products that are related to that are illegal, and even can even it can happen that Amazon will have a court case related to this product. So you will have to protect Amazon from these kind of products. So that is your main job. Other small responsibilities are there, but this is the main responsibility, and you will have to follow certain standard operating procedures which company will train you for. And regarding the interview round, so the first round for this job role is aptitude test. In that aptitude test, there will be 10 English grammar questions, 10 logical reasoning, and 10 mathematical related questions. So total 30 questions plus one email writing will also be there. So that you have to take care of. One email writing you will have to also do. So total it is a 1 hour test in which you have to do all these things, and you can prepare for this on my channel. You can watch certain videos like Amazon aptitude test for all the aptitude related questions, English grammar test for English grammar questions, as well as words and writing tests to know how to write an email effectively, how to write email for words and writing test, because email writing is part of that. Now, as far as the salary is concerned, it is pretty good. It starts from around 4.3 LPA and it can go even up to 7.7 LPA. So if you are even a fresher, then also at least 4.3 LPA you will get, so which is pretty good. And regarding the other rounds, GD round can also be there for this role, and then HR and the operations round. So for the HR and the operations round, I'll take you to my computer screen and I'll also show you how you can apply for this role. So friends, now I have taken you to my computer screen, and first I'll discuss about the interview questions that can be asked for operations round of compliance associate. So these questions can be: explain any Amazon leadership principle and give example of where you displayed that leadership quality in the past. So that example could be from your life, from your college life. If you are working from your previous experience, you have to tell that. And for this job role, Amazon leadership principles are very important, so go through all of them. And I had recently made a video on Amazon leadership principles, new leadership principles. So now there are 16 leadership principles, so just go through that. Also, I'm giving the link in the description. Now then they can ask you talk about your college project. So this is a common question, so this they can definitely be asked, so you need to prepare accordingly, and I have covered the sample answer many times for this. How will you differentiate between two products that look alike? So here you will be working as a product compliance officer, so you should be able to know how to distinguish between two products, what are those things, so you can check that out accordingly. What challenges can be there in this role? So what are you expecting the challenges that you will have to face as a compliance associate? So that you have to talk about. So if I give an example, one challenge could be that you have to follow all the regulatory laws, but sometimes what happen, laws change and you are not aware about that law. So in that case you have passed a product regarding its compliance and it is selling on Amazon, but all of a sudden some law has come and you are not aware of that. So that can be a big challenge. How do you expect your typical workday to be like? So here you have to read the job description thoroughly and understand what your job role will be. Then describe a time when you analyze data to solve a problem, because here you need analysis skill, analytical skills, and attention to details. So this question can be asked. Are you comfortable to do work from home? Because this in this job they have clearly written that work from home may be required for some period of time. Then some Excel based questions, because they have clearly written that you need to be good at MS Excel. So you can watch my video for MS Excel interview questions and answers. Then how will you resolve conflict between stakeholders? Because here you will have to deal with multiple stakeholders. So these are the kind of questions that can be asked. Now I'll show you how you can apply. So I have floated this on my website, Product Compliance Associate. It is currently open for 3 locations: Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad. So wherever you want to apply, you can click the link. For Pune and Hyderabad, let me tell you, they have written that they would prefer 1 to 5 years of experience. But for Bangalore, they have written 0 to 5. So I don't know why this difference is there, but in Bangalore, clearly freshers can apply. For Pune and Hyderabad, they are preferring, but I'll tell you to at least apply. Maybe they will consider you if they are considering you for Bangalore. Then you have to click on this apply for this job and you will be redirected to this page. So here you will have to fill all your details. So product compliance senior associate, FTC Bangalore, you can just click here and read the job description, and you can see here 0 to 5 years experience they have written. So it is fresher is allowed. Once you are comfortable with this, just fill in these details. How did you find about this job? You can fill anything not important, all your contact details, then citizenship, your address, highest degree, so you should be at least a graduate, total experience. So this is a bit tricky. So I'll tell you, if you are a fresher, you can mention your experience of internship, and if you don't have that experience also, you can just write 0. Are you working currently? No. Notice period, immediate joining. Current or last employer, if you don't have any internship, you can just write NA, not applicable. And in your monthly salary, you can write 0. So this is how you can fill this form. And are you comfortable to relocate? You have to write yes. And do you have active current backlogs? That you have to mention accordingly. Your Aadhaar card must be there. So these details and your resume and photograph should be there. So that is how you can apply for this job role. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you, and in case you want to get your CV rectified for this job role or any other job role, you can go to the description and book your modification. And till 31st of December I am running it at a very low price. After that, prices will increase, so you can take your call accordingly. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.